if I think I missed it. If your chart ruler is Mercury, does that play a different influence? Like this, I think I missed how you said that influence. So I know my first house and my fourth house, well, I'm looking at this, whatever. I know that they're influenced, but how does the Mercury in retrograde affect in a different way your entire chart?
Yeah. So see, firstly, the Mercury is, like I said, it is in the same element in a particular year.
Yeah.
So you take the element into consideration. Then you take into consideration the house it is retrograding in. Then you see where are your Mercury houses actually in your natal chart. So what are the requisites of that particular house? You will actually get it from the opposite house where the Mercury is retrograding. So your answers of your problems in your own Mercury chart lies where the Mercury is retrograding.
Okay.
Have you got my point?
So then the fact that Mercury is my chart ruler, that doesn't affect it anymore. I'm still.
No, that doesn't. That is just a particular area of yours that house is important. And are you now? There are two houses, okay, where Mercury is ruled.
Yeah.
Right, Gemini and Virgo.
Yeah.
So you see in your chart where is the Gemini and where is the Virgo.
Same. So it's just the same.
At the same time, and then you are seeing where it is retrograding.
Okay.
Which element is retrograding? That element requires to energize these houses of yours. So do you need to take action in that particular house of your natal chart, or do you require to exercise your communication skills or adaptability, or you really need to restructure? See, that element is going to come into play to actually strengthen your Mercury houses.
So then a Gemini rising or a Virgo rising, they're definitely going to have to pay attention to the first.
Right. When Mercury is retrograding, you have to pay attention to those houses. And that house where it is retrograding is where you need to seek your answers. It's like the Gemini, if it is in the second house, it means you are worried about your finances, you're worried about your, how your assets or how you're going to do this thing. But the retrograde is happening in the 11th house. It says that in case if you need money, you can borrow it from your friends. You can go out and borrow it and take loans. That is the time when clients ask, can I take a loan? So you look into all these configurations and say, yes, go ahead and take the loan and you will get it. So then you borrow that loan to make your house strong.
So we pay attention more to the house rulers than the chart ruler. You hear what I'm saying? Pay attention to the house.
When the retrograde, like when the Venus retrograde is happening, then you pay attention to that Venus.
The second Venus and the seventh.
Yes.
Got it.
The Taurus and that will rule, right?
Libra, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yes.
So basically it is like quickly keeping a rough paper saying that, okay, this is my natal chart. These are my Mercury houses. These are my Venus houses. This is where the Mercury is retrograding and it's very powerful. So I need to pay attention to that. And when things, and invariably you will see the things will come up. So you will get your answers. Okay, these are, and when it goes direct is when that clarity sets in that, okay, fine. Now I can take action and strengthen this part of my house.
Okay.
Yeah.